Hello everyone, Sam here, and today I'm gonna be unboxing my brand new tablet. But first, let me turn real a sec. Okay, this is me in real life now. Hey guys, so I actually got my new tablet! Yay, let's go. Okay, what do you want me to put? There's Halo. Hi Halo. She thinks I'm another animal. Just look at her. Look at her. She spelled on me. Okay, I don't know where to put the camera on. Ow.
Halo, come here. Come here.
Oh, this is heavy.
Hey. Come here.
Okay.
Calm down.
Okay,
Put it on the chair so they can see it.
Oh. Okay. Give me out the plastic. I'll be right back.
Calm down.
I mean, I know it's logical I didn't have a mask, but if it's a real live video, I am wearing my mask.
That's fine.
Yeah.
What's that?
Look at this. It's gotta be like a computer. I'm sorry, Zion. Oh, wait. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. It's kind of heavy. Right. Check this. Ah. Check this off. Let me just slide it like real. Ooh! Check this out. Check it out.
Show 'em what it comes with.
Yep. It comes with a keypad. Yay! Wish I could like type in with my stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a connect button.
Yeah, you connect it to your tablet.
Oh.
It's a wireless.
Ah. Nice. Just like yours. Where's the box? Wait, there's another box. Let's see. Oh, the map. That mouse is adorable. It's adorable. Oh my gosh. Wait. There's some other stuff.
Charger cord.
Is it for my tablet or the?
That's for the tablet.
Oh. I mean, I already got one. Like over there.
I know.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, there's something else in here. Oh, the power box. Thingamajig.
Wall charger.
Oh. Okay.
So it's a USB-C to a USB-C charging cable.
Oh. Oh wait, there's a manual.
And then your adapter.
The what?
The adapter is what goes in the wall.
Oh.
Okay, that tells you how to connect.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll do that later. Sweet.
Okay. So, go ahead and finish your video.
Well, that's all in this video today. I'm gonna get my tablet set up. Say goodbye, Halo. Bye. Aww.